welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you will subscribe at the end of the video. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing from Props for Dots. I ordered an A5 cover. I'm sure you guys already know this one. So I'm replacing this one, and I'm gonna use the leather one, but I'm still gonna use this. I'm gonna show you before I end the video what I'm gonna use this cover for. So yeah, everything is going to be shaky because my beloved husband broke my ring lighter, and it also says as a stand. So I'm doing this with one hand. I'm holding my phone, and I'm gonna use my left hand to try and unbox what's in this box. So yeah, let us go ahead. And oh, the packaging always gets me. And this one I didn't order, but I know what it is. It's a gift from Props for Dots from Lonky. So I'm gonna open this last. I am going to open, what is this? Let me see. Oh, oh, look at this. It's a washi tape, a purple washi tape. And look at this. Hey, girl, because I know you love purple. Yes, I do. Oh, this is so lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, so yeah. So this is the cover. Oh, it's heavy. Let me put the box aside. And you guys, I'm sitting on top of my bed. I'm in my bedroom. I'm doing this in my bedroom because I don't have the strength to open my office. Opening the office, it's hard work. My sliding door is giving me problems. So yeah, so I'm sitting on top of my bed, and yeah, let me do this unboxing. This is so nice. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh. Like, you guys. Oh, and it has my name. I had my name engraved. So yeah, let's see what's happening inside. Oh, this is a card about this this leather, and another nice gift, a paper clip. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. The pockets. Yeah, I'm not used to long nails, so they're getting in the way, but yeah. So you can put your cards here, and then there's a pocket here, and then I requested to have a zipper because this is going to be my ETC, so I might put some cash and receipts. And then I wanted it to have strings for notebooks. And then this is where I'm going to slip in my bullet journal, and I can also slip it in here as well. And then there's a pen loop here as well. This is beautiful. Lonky's work is amazing. Let me see if let me attempt to put my notebook in here using my one hand. Let me slip. I think it's in. Well, it's not all the way in, but I'm sure you guys get the idea of what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so I'm gonna slide it in very nicely when I'm done with the video. But yeah, this is another cover that I got from Lonky from Props for Dots. I will link Facebook page on the description box, but her work is amazing. You must go and check out her page. Her work is outstanding. I love her work. Oh, sorry, I keep forgetting. So yeah, today's video is going to be unprofessional, very, very unprofessional. Bear with me and I apologize. So let me open this. So this is my lovely gift from Lonky, and thank you so much for this. I really, really appreciate it. Oh, look at this. Oh, like, you guys. Oh, the letter feels so good. So this is a standard size traveler's notebook. Oh, look at this. Secretarial pocket. So there's a small pocket here, secretarial pocket, and there's another pocket here. You can put your stickers and whatnot, and then it has 4 elastics, and then another secretarial pocket and another pocket here as well, and a pen loop. Oh, wow, 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 this is beautiful. Oh, and look at this. How did you know I have a thing for owls? This is so pretty. Oh, thank you so much, Lonky. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough. This is beautiful. Oh, I wish you guys can feel this leather. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you, Lonky, so much. So I'm gonna use this for my junk journal. This is my Webster's page travelers standard travelers notebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take all of these inserts, and I am going to put them in here, and this is what this is going to be. This is my new junk journal traveler's notebook cover, and it's wow, it's so beautiful. So what I'm gonna use this for quickly is I have this bubble that I didn't know existed until a few weeks ago when my aunt gave it to me and said it's mine. when I opened it, I found out that it really is my Bible. So I didn't know anything about it. So yeah, this is how I'm going to now use this cover. Gonna slide it in here as well, and then of course all of this is going to come out. It's gonna go to my new cover. So yeah, I'm gonna put I have a small notebook that I'm gonna put in here. But yeah, basically this is what I'm now using this for. It's perfect. It sits in there so nicely and so snugly, and yeah, so this cover is definitely not going to waste. I'm still gonna use this. So yeah, it's housing my Bible. So yeah, you guys, that is all I have for today's videos. Just a quick unboxing of my props for dots covers from Lonky. Like I said, I will link her Facebook page down below. And yeah, I'm a very happy woman today, and thanks to you, Lonky. You are once again amazing, and I love your work. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.